Okay, I get you. You want to download a YouTube video on laptop or PC. Well, actually, this is not only for PC laptop, this works for cell phone too. So you have to go to the video you want to download, in my case, this video that is mine. So what do we do now? Well, this is very simple. As you can see, down here you have this download button. So you press it and select the resolution, and it will ask you to create a YouTube Premium account. You have a free trial, so you do that free trial and you download the video. But if that doesn't work for you, I have other solution. So you have to go to your YouTube account and go to videos. So this window in YouTube Studio will appear to show you all the videos, and you have to select the video you want to download. So you press the three dots here and press download. So when you press download, a new download will appear with that video. So if this video was useful, please subscribe, comment, share, like, and press the bell in the subscription button. And remember that we have a lot of tutorials for everything. So literally everything. So if this video like, so see you in another easy way video. Goodbye.